Hi everyone, Mary from Amore Florist and Bridal. Thank you so much for joining me again, and thank you so much for your continued support. Today we're going to be working on with some soap roses. These smell wonderful, just like the roses. Only thing is that they will last you pretty much, I wouldn't say forever, but they should last you quite some time, even up to, I had some that's about 5 or 6 years old and I still have them. The smell might be a little bit, you know, not as strong as the ones before, but they will last you in comparison to real flowers, of course. So I just wanted to do something a little different, and we're offering these different items for our customers for the Valentine's holiday. So here's the hard box that we're working with. It comes with a lid, so after we're done we get to cover it so that the smell would stay within it. I did prep it. I did use the hot glue gun to glue this this board here so that it's exactly at the height that I would need it to be, so that I can have the roses inside and then put the lid over it. Okay, so without further ado, let's work on these. So I'm going to go ahead, and I got my hot glue gun here already prepped. Not much to prep, but I have extra glue sticks here, and I have the hot glue gun plugged in, so it's ready to go. What we're going to do is, we don't want to put too much glue in it, okay, just enough so that it will stay put. Okay, there we go. Again, that's the heart, and I will go ahead and work on it this way, so that way I can tilt it and show you as we go. These smell wonderful, by the way. They are gorgeous, as well as they smell wonderful. Did I mention that? Okay, so knowing that my glue gun isn't that long here, I'm going to move a little bit to this corner. So here we go. So this is the soap rose. They are very delicate, so you want to make sure your hands are clean. So we're just going to put a little dab just so it stay put. We don't need it to be permanent because they can be removed to be used in the tub when you're ready to take your bath. They will open up as the room is getting a little warm here, so they will slowly open up. We want to be careful. So what I'm doing now is that I'm going around the perimeter of the heart here. Please don't mind my bell. This is a Sunday that I'm doing the video when the store is closed. That way I don't get anyone disturbing me. Although occasionally I do get a knock on the door, so I will try to edit that out. Okay, so again, I'm just going around the perimeter, just holding it down for a couple of seconds. You're not using too much of these here. You should be fine. Okay. Dries almost instantly if you just use a small dab of hot glue. So I'm talking about like not even a 1/4 inch of glue. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Super Bowl Sunday. That's what it is. I'm not too big of a football fan, so here I am doing the videos since it's been a while. So as you can see, I'm going around the room. Okay. I haven't counted exactly how many I would need yet. You'll get these little glue webs, but don't worry. You can just easily pull them off, okay? When you're done, or in between, it's up to you. Okay. I've been trying to think of ideas to create more interesting content, or content that's you'll be interested in learning DIYs and what you would like to make. So if you have any suggestions or, you know, comments or questions, go ahead and message me. Please look us up and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Okay. So, I mean, it would be interesting enough. You can probably make like a perimeter of pink and then go red, but for this sake, I'm going to actually just do all pink because I think that's really pretty in this red box. Just enough glue to hold it in place, nothing permanent. Now we don't want to push them too tight against each other because they will open, believe it or not. As it gets warmer, if they have the space, they will slowly open up. Will bloom, which is nice. So whether you're working with silks or soap roses or even real roses here, you want to make sure you all have room to open up and they're not too squished between each other, okay? I always like to work from the outside in. Bit, getting a little tight here, but I'm still going to try to wiggle my wiggle in, and let's do this one here. So I might be able to add one more here, so I'm going to get one that's a little bit more tight, just because I don't want a big gap here. And always be careful when you're working with a glue gun. You don't want to burn yourself. So this is what we have so far. But I'm going to turn this, you know, in front of me so I can kind of see where I have any gaps. And I see one gap here. Carefully put one there. As for the rest, remember how we used to blow on the flowers to open them up? These can be the same. So we want to make sure they're all centered properly. And let's see. So I use approximately, as far as these are about 1.5 inches in diameter, these roses. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 4, 36, 8, 40, about 41 roses actually. So 41 soap roses can fit into this box. And this is about a 9-inch heart. Like I said, you can carefully pull off all of these little hot glue webs, that's what we call them, and they'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm going to move this over And there you go. Let me take a look at it. And I'm just gonna blow on a little bit because we don't want to put too much of our hand, because our hands are warm and we don't want to get these dirty or have them bruised or any way, because they are, whether or not they're soap roses or real roses, they will bruise and they will get, you know, they are delicate. So there we go. Voila. How easy was that? My Valentine would be very happy to receive this. So we got the lid. So when the recipient gets this, they can simply open the lid, smell the roses, which are so nice and fragrant. I can't stop smelling them. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for your support. Please subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.